Hey guys, I'm going to do an oddball video for you today because I figure if we needed this information, chances are there's a lot of other people out there that have had the same exact issue. This is going to be an inexpensive, costs no money to fix. So no point in going to your dealership where they'll charge you by the hour, whether it's an hour or not. We were coming home and noticed a spraying sound under the engine compartment of Gary's 2015 Kia Sorento. And he had cold water drip on his leg on the rider's side of the vehicle. So we figured it's an AC line that's plugged, so I couldn't really find any video about this particular year on how to clear it out. So I called the dealership and he gave me some easy instructions. So I'm going to go ahead and do a video for you and show you how to do this yourself and save a few bucks. So let's check this out. The dealership, he said, easy fix. Take your air compressor. Take your little air compressor hose and just give it a couple bursts of air. The hose is actually open underneath about the central area of the car, but on the rider's side. And he said if you give it a couple quick shots of air, it should clean it out, but get the heck out of the way quickly because gunk's gonna come out of there fast. As lovely as I look, this is exactly what you need to be looking for when you're looking for this hose, because I had a hell of a time trying to find it, but I found it. And anyhow, I'm going to show you where it is. My down here. Oh, I mean stuff. So I'm underneath, right about the front tires, and I was looking for this little gadget right there, and couldn't find it. Of course, I don't have anything to drive the vehicle up onto, so I'm trying to squeeze my lard body underneath here. But that piece is what I was looking for. And then I started using my phone to just kind of look around. There's the hose right there. Let's see if I can, oh shit. There's gonna be some editing on this film. All right, so there's the piece that I was looking for to find the hose. And I went back from that piece, and then there's that hose. Hopefully you can see that in the video. And I kind of went underneath it to make sure that that's an open hose that's just hanging down, and sure enough it is. So I'm going to go to the other side. I think it'll be a little bit easier to get to it. All right, so I was looking for this piece and I kind of followed it back a little bit, and that hose right there, that's the culprit. So basically you want to take your air compressor with the shooting air gun on it and just give it a couple quick shots, and it's gonna start flowing some gunk out of there, and hopefully that will resolve the problem. So I'm gonna do that. I'm not gonna record me shooting that because there's no way I can get under there with two arms to do that. So let me go ahead and shoot some air in and see how this works. Couple quick squirts, and that's all it took.
Hardest part is just getting under there.
And then I had to get out of Dodge really fast because that started coming out fast. But I did it. A girl with no skills, and I just fixed the AC. You're welcome.
You're welcome. Thank you.
And I'm sweating profusely, so awesome. But I feel very proud of myself.
You should.
Yay!